What lies ahead? The future of a long-standing Italian story. Bringing together all those who have played a part and demonstrating the evolution of a company. Innovation, every day uncovering new forms of inspiration. In the laboratories and plants in Grassobbio, Bergamo. Passion, experience, and tradition. The tradition of always choosing cutting-edge solutions to continue to achieve excellence. Cleaning products that since 1945 have embodied dedication to quality, method, and service. And all that the Allegrini name guarantees. Cosmetics that care for the body and the environment, for a form of well-being inspired by nature. Looking to the future, there is the new certainty that being two entities closer together is a really good starting point towards new horizons.